If you were to look at a few learnings overall during these 20 years of being an MD and CEO, I think one is an unwavering focus on the power and purpose and vision. The purpose could even be that we want to be the best in the world. We want to be able to export. And then unwavering focus on what the vision is, and then not consensus, but alignment. You've got to have alignment. I mean, people can say, yes, we'll do it, but if your heart is not in it, it won't get done. And young people obviously play a big role in that. The second would be, I think, empathy. It's a much used word these days, but I think it's something that we were able to practice over a period of time. And empathy does not mean agreement. Empathy only means that I will strive to understand your point of view. And if I disagree, I will tell you, this is why I disagree, and we'll move on. But opportunity to speak and therefore willingness to listen is extremely important. The third was that during this period of whatever 2 decades, we've had 3 or 4 financial crises. No, we've had 3 or 4 crises. One was financial, the other could be a pandemic. There were different crises that comes. One could be only industry focused instead of world focused, etc. So we learned scenario planning. You couldn't have one scenario. Important to have 3 scenarios and keep developing on them, because there was no easy, straightforward path that could any longer be followed. The fourth was speed over precision, not in terms of product quality, but in terms of decision-making on data available. Data was never going to be now perfectly available, so there's no point holding on to it. You take your call and then correct as you move along. In my view, 80% of the decisions are reversible. So it's the best part is delegate those to colleagues who will take those calls, and all you have to do is to support them. Should a path change or something goes wrong, then give 100% support, because they can be reversed or they can be changed. So look at what is reversible, and by all means, take a call as early as possible.